short video of the engine compartment. 270 cubic inch, 183 horse. This is the Red Ram engine. It was put heavy heads on this same lot. Charging system works. You can see by some of the details that this has an absolute all new complete wiring harness in it. Dual master cylinder, power dual master cylinder, excellent brakes, charging system is great. Quick disconnect for the battery, modern closed system for the radiator. You can see, we'll start seeing it's still cold, but as you see, well, it's a closed system, it'll come up. Everything was off of the firewall. We rebuilt the new water heater, all the fans were out, everything was Dynamat, Dynaliner to take the heat out and push it into the engine compartment when needed. Excellent running engine. Even the washers work.